Power. Comrades Ria. Comrades Abuji. Yes, so my name is Otai Topnotch, a medical student from the University of Nairobi.
Yes.
And as medical students, we've also decided to down our brains.
Yes.
In that we are afflicted that these doctors here that are now on the streets for 34 consecutive days are our tutors. And so we cannot survive in school when our teachers are on the streets. That is why we have joined them, and we are vowing today that this is just but the start. And to the general public that is out there, last week on Tuesday when we were demonstrating, we witnessed some impunity of rogue public pelting stones at us. Okay? Yeah, I want to actually tell them, to anyone who would want to trivialize our grievances, okay? To anyone who would want to deem our demands as inconsequential, we want to say this to you, that our demands are not the genuine pronouncements of malcontents, but these are the sine qua non, in legal terms, of a healthcare ecosystem devoid of any pathological dysfunction. So we are fighting for you. Comrades Power. Comrades Ria. Look at it through my lenses, okay? Look at it through my lenses. This government, I want to say that this government is now afflicted by a peculiar form of fiscal schizophrenia. Amen. And this is why I say that. That on one hand, they're actually promoting the doctrine of penury and destitution, mocking our doctor interns, okay? Mocking our doctor interns to subsist, okay? To a budgetary shoestring, thinner than a trichome. While on the other hand, they are hemorrhaging the public purse, a kind of hemorrhage that I can only compare to that of a ruptured aortic aneurysm. Comrades Ria. Comrades Abuji. And as an astute student of psychology, we refute the disingenuous pronouncements of our senior government officers that we should live within our means. Should we stand idly by to live within our means as expensive curtains worth millions of money, 700 million, adorn the halls of power? Should we? No. Should we? No. Should we, the custodians of healthcare, beg on our knees for sustenance? No. Okay? While our nation's coffers are running dry? No. Should we? No. So we therefore deny, we refute, we reject, and that is an obscene thing that has never been witnessed before. And let me tell you one thing, Amapiano is alive. How can you pay a doctor that 5,000? Amapiano is alive. Tomorrow we have a general assembly, doctors' assembly, and I urge all the medical students from around the world, okay? We want to take it international, okay? Yes. From around the world to join us tomorrow in our doctors' assembly, and therefore, comrades. Yes. Comrade, one last thing. Yes. Okay? Yes. Mandamanos are for Tuesdays. And Tuesdays are for Mandamanos. Mandamanos are for Tuesdays, and Tuesdays are for Mandamanos. Comrades Power. Comrades Ria. Comrades Bulldozer. Yes. Yes.